बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। I am Rana Mukhtar Ahmed Khan Joia, Chairman, Shaheen College of Commerce and Information Technology, Pakistan. Shaheen English Shorthand, Practical Dictation, 700 words, Book 2, Exercise number 18, Dictation speed 100 words per minute. Ready, start. There appeared in the papers recently a short report of the opening of an art show held in connection with an important school or art full stop. In the course of a talk given by a well-known authority on art, it was stated that some years ago, a young man who could paint reasonably well could make painting this life work with some hope of meeting with success. Full stop. In those days, the public were interested in art and would buy pictures. Full stop. But times had changed. Full stop. The public had been told by one or two people who called themselves experts that it was wrong to put up many pictures, with the result that fewer pictures were bought. Full stop. The public should free themselves from such ideas, and if they lived, beauty should follow their own wishes in this respect. Full stop. Every home was made more beautiful by the addition of good pictures. Full stop. Upon reading such words as these, two lines of thought come to the mind. Full stop. First, we have memories of the many stories we have read of the poor young man interested in art, painting good pictures, but known only to one or two dear friends, and in the end dying in his little room because he had not enough money to buy food. Full stop. Then we have our memories of the best room, either in our own house or in the house of a friend, a room which seemed full of pictures and many other things. Full stop. Who has not had the experience as a child of sitting quite still in such a room with fear at the heart, knowing that if a movement were made, something would probably be touched or broken, and that trouble would quickly follow? The pictures were often in black and white and were not beautiful. Full stop. We still see such rooms sometimes in small and out of the way boarding houses in the country or by the sea, and it is with pleasure that we turn from the memory of them to the thought of the light and airy houses of the present day, with one or two really pleasing pictures in each room. Full stop. It is true that more pictures were put up some years ago, but did people with money bought pictures, and people with money still buy pictures? Full stop. In fact, the amount of money which will be paid for one picture seems to grow more each year. Full stop. But people in general have never had enough money to buy real pictures. Full stop. They have, for the most part, had to buy copies, and with the better means employed today in making such copies. 440 very much better pictures are offered to the public at reasonable prices. Full stop. Art is the expression in differing ways and by differing means of ideas and feelings, and attendances at schools of art show that as many young people are interested in art today as in the past. Full stop. There are many schools of thought in art, and we find many men and women attempting new forms for the expression of the special feelings and ideas which they wish to pass on to us. Full stop. It is not always easy for the man in the street to form judgments on what he sees at art shows. Full stop. It is not always easy to like a new form of thought or expression. Full stop. There was no doubt a time in history when people cried out against any form of painting as a means of expression because it was something new to them. Full stop. We have always to take care that we do not speak against something new just because it is new. Full stop. While men attempt new forms of expression and make efforts to better to the old forms. Full stop. We need have no fear for the future of the country from the point of view of art and beauty. Stop writing, please.